The cosmic gold rush began with a bang, literally. An asteroid the size of Jupiter slammed into our galaxy, causing a ripple that knocked out power on Earth globally for 3 days. Scientists quickly learned the rock was made of 90% lithium. Earth's electric-hungry population clamored to mine the space rock so that they could power our electrified future. But to get to the rock, the world would need modern-day gold miners willing to risk it all to travel across the galaxy in search of fortune and maybe a little fame. A legion of space cowboys volunteered and were quickly trained, provided with hastily constructed ships, and sent hurtling into the nothing of space. These cowboys stopped at nothing to be first to claim any of the large pieces of lithium land they could. A demolition derby in space ensued, ships careening off ships, hacked and redirected navigation systems sending ships into various asteroid fields. Comms units overrun with the taunting and sometimes panicked voices of space cowboys battling for a lawless place across infinity. If only the cowboys had been paying attention to their course. The ripple that had impacted Earth reverberated across the galaxy and caused the sun to shift ever so slightly in its throne at the center of the Milky Way. That shift was enough to move planets, debris, asteroids, and meteorites. It shifted the course for the cowboys, and they were no longer heading toward the rock of lithium. Instead, they were heading for one of Jupiter's moons. As the ships crash-landed on Ganymede and the space cowboys realized there was no lithium to mine, they had to find ways to survive. Using the mining tools each ship carried, a settlement was constructed. Conserving fuel and using the reusable rockets, they'd set off on their adventure in. Quick trips for supplies and food sources from Jupiter's other moons were made possible. But our space cowboys were stranded on a moon in a desolate land, forced to build a society and fend for themselves.